Hey Mouseketeers, we are going to unbox, or unpackage in this case, it's not really a box, Disney Doorables Let It Go road vehicles and road trip vehicles. This is series 2. Looks like there's 12 different ones to collect. You get a Doorable figure and you get a little car or a little vehicle as they're taking their road trip. And we have 6 of these we're going to unpackage. So let's just dig right in. Hey Mouseketeers, we unboxed the Disney Doorables road trip figures. And before I go, I just wanted to say please subscribe below by clicking the subscribe button. And I'll also put a link in the description so you can buy your own Disney Doorables Series 2 road trip vehicles if you'd like. And so let's take a look and see what we got. And until next time, Mouseketeers, I'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching.